coming for you and you're like, take on me.
So it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Joey's here, and it's so dark. I just woke up after going to the beach. Man, I should have recorded the whole thing, but I don't know. I didn't feel like it. But yeah, this is the vlog I'm gonna be doing. So when it becomes morning, I'm gonna gonna start the video. So yeah, peace. Yeah, so I am finishing up my Fortnite stuff. That might be for my next Fortnite video. Maybe that might be for my next Fortnite video. But yeah, here's a little sneak peek stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get some fruit pebbles because I'm hungry. There's nothing to eat. Okay guys, I got some fruit pebbles. I got the game. But something weird is happening. Like every time I hear like the refrigerator like sounds in like there, like at night. But it might be just the workers. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some fruit pebbles. Okay. I can hear lots of like banging sounds like from the living room. That's weird. But still, probably might be the construction workers. I'm just gonna leave this on just in case I hear anything or something. So yeah. What the heck? Oh shoot. Never mind, that was like my little brother making those sounds. Never mind. Bro. Bro, what the heck? Huh? What's that sound? Oh, it's coming from the fridge. Yeah, but no, I hear it from over there. Wow, what the heck? Okay, that wasn't. No. Okay, no, that's not. Oh, what the heck is happening? Okay. Maybe it's just like me just waking up. Never mind. You heard that knock? What? I heard a knock. It's like. That's you. That. You're doing that. No, I heard that coming from somewhere. Okay guys, I'm about to leave to go somewhere. I also stole this gum from my mom. Yeah. Okay guys, here we are at Longs. We got Longs. Let's go. Yeah. So people said like this is like gift cards in there if you like open it, and you get in trouble if you do it. Like if you get caught. I don't know why. Well, I don't know why they keep hiding from this. Here we are. Here we are. Let's go. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh. I got connection. Oh. Good job. Some Batman. And some potato heads. Just in case you want to kill me with some potato heads. Walkie-talkies, water balloons. Yeah. I'll play with this ball right here. I'm gonna play with this. Yeah. Touch. Get started. I don't care. Yeah. 18. Okay. You put this in the mask. Here. Almost there. Ah, I know that. Your kid distracted me, that's why. Oh, got it. Thank you. We got this. Yes, thank you. Okay. There. No, okay. Oh, got it. That's easy. Got it. Oh, got it again. Yay! Yes. Hey guys, we're about to go to Burger King. We're about to go to Burger King. My second favorite fast food restaurant, I guess. Can't wait to go to Burger King. Yeah. I'm the king of Burger King. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.